Hi everyone, Farhad here, and today I'm going to share the secrets to making the best authentic Lebanese chicken shish tawook. The secret comes down to three key elements: the right spices, the perfect marinating time, and the cooking techniques. Make sure you watch this video until to the end to uncover all the tips and tricks and my secrets. By the time we're done, you'll be ready to prepare this dish indoor or outdoor and enjoy sharing it with your friends and family. So let's get right to it. Okay, the first thing we want to do is make our marinade so that we can put the chicken in and get it marinated. So we're going to start with 1 cup of yogurt. I use fat-free Greek yogurt. Some like to use it whole milk, but I like to use the fat-free. And then keep in mind that yogurt is rich in calcium and contains lactic acid, while lemon juice is high in citric acid. And both of these ingredients help tenderize the meat and infuse it with all the other spices that I'm going to put in. So they ensure the ultimate tenderness and juiciness and flavorfulness. Now let's say that 10 times. So I put the yogurt. I'm going to put the half a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of virgin olive oil or avocado oil, and then 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Sometimes I use plain, but if I can find some that infused with garlic, like this one, I use that. So that's for that. And then 6 to 8 garlic minced. Well, I put double of that. No, I'm kidding. I do like to put like about a dozen, but so, and then about 2 teaspoons of paprika, and then 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So, and then we mix these. I still got more coming, more seasoning coming, but I'm gonna mix these together first. All right, let's get the rest of the other seasoning. So, and then 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, that's optional, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and that's also optional, but you gotta have it. That's part of the secret, so you can't miss that. And 1 teaspoon of cumin. And then we're gonna do salt and pepper to taste. I always put a little bit of sea salt. You can always salt it afterwards. Once it's cooked, you can just put some salt on if you want. And then I just do a little bit of ground pepper. Let's mix that. And some sea salt, as I mentioned, and some freshly ground pepper. And there we have it. So our marinade is pretty much ready. And then I'm gonna go get the chicken pieces, and then I'm gonna explain a little bit on that. Yeah, it looks great. All right. Okay, I have about 2 pounds of chicken pieces. Now I have 2 large side breasts and then 2 thighs. It comes about 2 pounds for this amount of marinade. So I'm going to put them all in the marinade and get them really coated with it. We've got to make sure everything gets 100% coated, just like that. Yeah, it looks great. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put it in the fridge for about, well, there's a debate. Some says 2 hours is okay. Well, if you're short on time, 2 hours is fine. However, I would highly recommend more longer, like 4 hours. The best would be 8 hours. So I'm gonna leave this for 4 hours, and then I'm going to skewer them. So 2 hours is okay, but remember, the longer this sit in the marinade, the better it is. So that's one of the secrets. So 2 hours is fine, but 4 hours is better. 8 hours is the best. So a quick explanation between chicken breasts and thighs. Chicken breasts are generally leaner and contain more protein per ounce compared to thighs. This means they are a good option for those of you who focus on building muscle or managing weight through calorie intakes. And then chicken thighs, on the other hand, have higher fat content than chicken breasts. But a good portion of this fat is unsaturated fat, and unsaturated fats can be beneficial for heart health. However, the skin on chicken thighs adds a significant amount of fat, so be sure remove the best you can. Remove those fat from the meat the best as you can. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this and put it in the fridge, and then I'll come back in 4 hours and we're gonna start cooking it. Okay, it's been a little more than 4 hours, so I just pulled the chicken out. So I'm gonna go ahead and skewer them and start cooking them. Okay, as you can see, I skewered the chicken and I put them on the indoor grill that I have. I cut the chicken in cubes, like an inch and a half, and I skewered them with metal skewer. You want to cook them like 5 to 7 minutes on each side. If you have an outdoor grill and you want to grill them on like a gas grill or a charcoal grill, and the best way would be using a metal skewer. If you don't have a metal skewer, using a bamboo skewer, be sure to soak them in the water like half an hour before you use them, so that prevents them from burning. So 5 to 7 minutes on each side. I just turn these, or make sure that it reaches a temperature of 165. Once they're done, we're gonna enjoy them with some rice or pita bread, flatbread, some yogurt sauce, or salad like tomato, cucumber, red onion salad that I have. I'm gonna show them to you, and then enjoy them. So you can also cook these in the oven. I would recommend like setting the temperature at 350. You want to cook them slowly. Set a timer for 10 minutes, and then check every 5 minutes, and then you may have to turn them over every time that you check them. Be careful not to overcook them, because there's nothing worse than an overcooked dried chicken. So that's just another recommendation. Or the other option would be just purchase a grill pan. It's kind of like you can buy one from Walmart for like, I don't know, $10, $15, $20, and you can use that also. Just put them on your stove and use that. So that's the other option. Okay, this is almost getting ready. Here we go. It's all plated. As you can see, I have rice and tomato, cucumber, onion salad on this one, and then this one, the chicken is on the whole wheat pita bread with some yogurt sauce on top, and then I'm just going to put some onions and tomato on that one. As you can see, it looks amazing. Yeah, I know it's even more delicious. And so let's go ahead and wrap this video up. And you have learned the secrets. I always strive to bring to you easy to prepare, healthy and nutritious meals for your enjoyment, and this was one of them. I really love this recipe. I'm very fond of it, and it's relatively easy to make and very healthy and packed with flavors. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this dish, and now that you know the secrets, you can create more exciting chicken dishes and leave those boring chicken recipes behind. As always, if you enjoy this video, consider liking and subscribing so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Also, leave me comments and let me know if you have made this dish before, and if you have, what did you do different? I would love to know. Anyway, enjoy your chicken, Shish Tawook, and I will see you in the next video.